Now we are on part 24 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. Google has the ability to access this particular website and collect information from all its pages. This information is used to make the pages searchable in organic search results. If a web page cannot be indexed, it will not show up in search results for relevant keywords. Therefore, it is crucial to ensure that your website is accessible for crawling and indexing. When a user enters a search query on Google, the search engine displays the most relevant websites that are currently indexed in its database. In the example given, ABC is the brand name of the company, and therefore, there is a high level of relevance between the search query and the website. This is why ABC appears at the top of the organic search results for the query, what is SEO and why SEO. As we discussed, website ranking involves numerous factors, with relevance being a crucial one. In the case of ABC, the company is directly related to their web pages, which boosts their relevance. However, ABC must also ensure that their pages load quickly for users to have a good experience. Additionally, Google considers other factors like user engagement, such as how long someone stays on a site or if they quickly leave after landing on a page, known as bouncing. The user experience holds immense significance in website ranking, alongside other factors like language and location. For instance, if a user searches for something in India, the search results will differ slightly from those in the United States. This happens because Google indexes as many web pages as possible, and the bots crawl different pages at different times. Therefore, search results in India may vary from those in the US due to Google's different bots and indexing methods. Google's index is updated regularly, but it doesn't sync in real time. This means that if you search for something in India and then perform the same search in the US, the results may not be exactly the same. This is because the Google indexes in India and the US may not be synced up at that moment. For instance, if you search for a cafe in San Francisco, the results you see may differ from those of someone searching for the same thing in India due to the differences in the indexes. When you search for cafes in Mumbai, you will see unique results specific to that location. These results may include local search listings at the top, as well as some paid search results. However, due to the differences between the Google search engines in India and the United States, the search results may not be entirely synced up at the exact moment you perform the search. Hence, you may notice variations in the search results, even for the same query. The location, language, relevancy, and user experience are vital factors that influence how Google ranks websites. Thus, it is essential to consider these factors while optimizing your website for search engines. Now, let's delve into the different types of SEO. If you aim to improve your website's ranking for a specific keyword on Google, you need to implement effective search engine optimization techniques. There are two main approaches to search engine optimization: On Page SEO and Off Page SEO. Now, let's discuss On Page SEO first. On Page SEO involves optimizing your own website, and this means taking various elements in your web pages and website into consideration. These elements include headers, meta descriptions, title tags, linking, and more. As an end user, you have control over these elements, and they are crucial for improving the ranking of your website and web pages on Google. To start optimizing your website, we must first identify the keywords we want to rank for. This involves conducting keyword search, which is the most crucial activity in SEO. It's essential to determine the traffic potential of a keyword and the amount of traffic we could receive if we rank organically at the top of Google search results. Therefore, understanding the search volume is crucial when selecting a keyword to target. Next, it's important to assess the competition for the keyword you want to rank for. If you choose a keyword with low competition, you may have a better chance of ranking quickly compared to a highly competitive keyword. Thus, it's crucial to understand both the volume and competition for the keyword you want to target before making a choice. To do this, you need to gather data on the volume and competition of that keyword, which involves conducting research and analyzing the results. After selecting the desired keywords, you can proceed with on-page SEO by modifying elements such as title tags, meta descriptions, and headers. However, keyword selection must precede any optimization efforts. The most critical considerations when selecting keywords are the search volume and level of competition. These two factors can be determined by analyzing the data and metrics related to that keyword. Once you have this information, you can proceed with optimizing your web pages using on-page SEO techniques. Choosing relevant keywords is also essential in on-page SEO. Before optimizing the website, the first step is to identify the keywords that you want to rank for by conducting keyword search. This is considered the most important activity in SEO since it helps you understand the potential traffic and competition for your chosen keywords. Once you have chosen your keywords, you can then apply on-page SEO techniques, such as optimizing title tags, meta descriptions, and headers. However, it's crucial to select relevant keywords that align with the content of your web page. To conduct keyword research, you can use tools like Google Keyword Planner, which is recommended as it provides information for ranking on Google search engine. The tool recommended for keyword search is Google Keyword Planner since it provides data directly from the source, which is Google. When conducting keyword research, it's important to choose relevant keywords that align with the web page you're trying to rank. Using the example of how to become a digital marketing specialist, if you enter this keyword into Google Keyword Planner, it will provide trends and data on the keyword search volume over a year. To analyze the keyword healthy breakfast ideas, we can observe its trends on both desktop and mobile devices. As mobile devices are commonly used for search queries, it's crucial to consider the data from both platforms. We can see a consistent trend for the past 12 months where healthy breakfast ideas receives an average of 200 searches per month. This information is valuable as it helps us understand the search volume of the keyword and can aid us in optimizing our content accordingly. To determine the volume and competition for various keywords, I can use tools such as Google's Keyword Planner. For example, for the keyword digital marketing specialist, I can see that the average volume is 1,200 per month over the last 12 months, and the competition is medium. However, for other keywords such as digital marketing course, the search volume is higher at 2,900 per month, but the competition is also high. To effectively track and analyze all relevant keywords, I recommend putting them all in a spreadsheet and obtaining data on their volume and competition using Google's Keyword Planner. By doing so, I can easily see the volume and competition data for all keywords in one place. It is essential to note that Google's Keyword Planner provides only low, medium, and high competition levels. If one wants to compare exact numbers like competition numbers for the keyword how to become a digital marketing specialist, they can search for the keyword on Google. If I search for the keyword how to become a digital marketing specialist, I can see that there are 76 million search results. This is a substantial number of results, especially considering that the monthly search volume is only around 30. To get a better understanding of the competition, I can use the all in title syntax and search for all in title, how to become a digital marketing specialist. So by using the syntax all in title, followed by the keyword how to become a digital marketing specialist in Google search, I obtained a different result. It only showed 136 listings that had the exact keyword phrase in their title tag. This is important because the title tag is what appears at the top of each search result and is what the user sees first. Therefore, it provides a more accurate measure of the competition for that particular keyword phrase. By using the all-in title syntax with the keyword how to become a digital marketing specialist, I found only 136 search results that have the exact keyword in their title tag. This is important because it gives me an idea of the competition for that specific keyword. Instead of trying to climb over 76 million results, I only need to compete with those 136 listings. To get a clear picture of the competition for my keywords, I can use this method to gather data from Google search. By combining the volume data from Google's Keyword Planner and the competition data from Google search, I can fill in my spreadsheet with accurate information for each keyword. Once you have gathered data for a number of relevant keyword queries using both Google's Keyword Planner and Google search, you can plug those numbers into a spreadsheet. After gathering this data for several keywords, you can then choose which keywords you want to optimize for based on their search volume and competition. Keyword research is crucial in determining the potential traffic and competition for each keyword, which are important factors in starting the on-page SEO process. Overall, Google Keyword Planner and Google Search are two powerful tools for conducting keyword research and optimizing web content for search engines. Google Keyword Planner is a free tool that provides users with data on search volume and competition for specific keywords. By inputting a keyword, users can see how many people are searching for that term on Google and how competitive it is to rank for it. This information is crucial for businesses and marketers who want to create content that will drive traffic to their websites. Google Keyword Planner can help users identify high traffic, low competition keywords that are most likely to bring in relevant traffic. Google Search, on the other hand, is a search engine that provides users with a wealth of information on their chosen topic. By entering a keyword into Google Search, users can see a range of search results, including web pages, images, videos, and news articles. By using the all-in-title syntax in Google Search, users can see how many search results have their chosen keyword in the title tag, which provides insight into the level of competition for that keyword. By combining data from Google Keyword Planner and Google Search, users can gain a deeper understanding of the search landscape for their chosen keywords. This information can help users identify opportunities for optimizing their content to rank higher in search results, driving more traffic to their websites. By conducting keyword research and using these tools to optimize their content, businesses and marketers can improve their online visibility, drive traffic, and ultimately increase conversions. And that ends the part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 25.